What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Electroslim before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Electroslim works. What is Electroslim Weight Loss? Electroslim is a weight loss device that uses electrical stimulation technology to activate muscles, speed up metabolism and help burn fat. It is ideal for those who want to lose weight without the need for intense exercise or restrictive diets. Main benefits of Electroslim Weight Loss: helps reduce body fat, stimulates muscles and increases tone, accelerates metabolism, easy to use at home, visible results in just a few weeks. Does Electroslim Weight Loss really work? Many people have already tried Electroslim and reported great results in weight loss and muscle definition. In this review, I share my personal experience and the results I got after using the product. Check it out. Want to know more about Electroslim Weight Loss? Watch the full video and see how it can help you achieve your weight loss goals.